You can switch over to Rankos, right? This was July 16th. If I'm on July 16th, again, what am I waiting for? I'm waiting for a what? A brick with a wick. I'm either waiting for 2 bricks, so I got one right here. You got your brick with a wick. At the end of the day, your stop loss is below there. So you would have entered here, boom, and there's your buy. Like, you let your trade run. Here's the thing you guys got to understand about trading. Here's the good news. You're going to lose. Right? How's that good news, Steve? Well, I'm just letting you know. You're just going to lose. Like, that's just part of the game. Bad news, you're going to lose. So what's the overall analysis? You're going to lose. What a lot of you guys do too much, like somebody stated in the comments, I was getting confused and everything like that. And not that I'm saying you weren't confused or anything, but what most people do is you're trying to find that perfect strategy, and there's just no perfect strategy. There's only systems. And what's the best system for you? Right? One thing about me, no matter what, no matter how much I make fun of other strategies or whatever, and again, I know everybody, so I'm cool with everybody. If somebody came on here and said, Steve, I love Losato's teacups, and I hate you, no problem. I'll be all right with that. If it's making you money, then fine, so be it. I love Trade House. For all the pew-pew and the crap in the world and all stuff, no problem. I'm happy for you, as long as you're making money. As long as you're finding, you're consistent with the system, you'll be good. Right? But just know that I've seen everybody fail. I've seen teacups fail. I've seen pew-pew fail. I've seen them all. I've seen educators call live trades, say, hey, this is a buy. It went up 300 pips. Where? Where did that 300 pips come? Because it just went 10,000 pips the other way. What in the God's name hell are you talking about? Like, why are you lying on this live session? Right? I've seen it. I've seen it all. And you guys know me. One thing I won't do, I won't lie to you. Right? I won't lie to you. I'm not perfect. As much as you guys tell me the best, I appreciate it. I'm not the best. Right? I'm a student just like you are. But one thing that I do, and one thing you guys, for my real followers, the people who've been with me for more than a year, 2 years, you know Stevenson has never changed up his system. His philosophy has never switched up. Never. I talked about flags when I first stepped in this platform. I'm still talking about flags. All I've done is gotten better at my craft. And that's what you're supposed to do as a trader. Your job, one of your jobs as a trader is to become better at your craft. All right? I hope you guys understand that message. Your job, one of your jobs, besides making money, is to become better at your craft. It's a must. Right? So, I need actually more of a shift here. Wait for this to cross over. Right? Then retest, and then you can look for a sell. I don't like this drop. This is not an aggressive drop for me. This can still go actually up. Right? So I need I need a crossover here. Wait for full crossover before selling. Right? You want to wait for a full. You don't got a full crossover here. Skimming it, and it looks like it might break that high before actually dropping again. Right? So watch price. Right? And one thing about being a trader, you got to know when to pick your fights. Right? Don't force setups. If it's clean and it's there, take it. If it's not, stay away from it. Stay away from it. Don't try to make something that's not there into something. If it's not there, it's not there. Don't try to become this whole other thing, and no, don't do that. Right? Odd USD had a nice shift. Right? Odd USD has a nice shift. So what we're looking for here is that engulfing candle. Right? We're looking for that pullback. Let me see. Get a pullback right around here. And why I did that here is because, remember, just like you see how this engulfing candle formed and then you got your drop, just like you see how this went up, look where it came to, that engulfing candlestick zone, right? Right when it turned up. See that? Right? So I'm always looking for price whenever it pulls back into a zone. Let it pull back, and then you're looking for that sell. Right? Then you're looking for that sell. Right. Boom. And there's supposed to be all news Tuesday morning. So you might see that here. Watch the sell here. Alright. Wait for retest. That means wait for this to fully come and cross. Once you see it cross, this high not being broken, then you can sell. Ladies and gentlemen, then you can sell. New Zealand USD, right? Right? Pretty much all of them, right? Just like how the DXY is waiting for that pullback before it continues going up. We gotta wait for the same thing here. Right? Pullback and then drop. And looking for that sell. So here. Look for sell here. Right. Wait for a retest. When I say retest, the two lot, they gotta come back. Boom. Wait for a retest. And I already know somebody's going to ask this, Stevenson, what if it doesn't cross over? Then you miss it. You let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Learn to let trades go, guys. You're not going to catch them all. This isn't Pokemon. Alright? The goal is not to catch them all. The goal is to get the best opportunities possible. Alright? USD Swiss franc. Alright, and shoo. I actually like this. Keep an eye on US Swiss franc. This is probably going to be one of my favorite setups for the week. Right? Cross. Now, wait for that pullback. That retest. Watch the buy here. Wait for retest here. And we're moving along. Perfect. Good. Oh, I already know I'm going to like USD CAD. Oh, I definitely like USD CAD. Oh, this is easy. Oh, I already got the markup there. Oh, yeah. I definitely like USD CAD. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, I definitely like USD CAD. I was looking at that on Friday. And I was like, woo, this looks like a beauty. This is going to set up nicely for next week. Nicely for next week. So, this is a markup I did on Friday, as you guys can see. And we're looking for this nice buy, right? Retest. I would look for entry right around here. Let this pull, buy around here, and then go up. So around these wick levels. So let me put this buy setup right here. Up and all the way up. Yes, I like this a lot. Right? So when I put the long position, sell positions, it actually gives you coordinates. So the gray line is your entry line. So you're looking for a buy around 133,800. The red line is your stop loss, 133,516. And then the green is your take profit, for those who are wondering. Alright. For all my signal takers. When do I buy? When do I sell? USD JPY. Oh yeah. Another one. Another one right here. See that? Come down. Right? Let that push. Let this push. Let it cross. And then buy. Right? What you're looking for is both of them to be in conjunction, to line up. Right? Wait for retest. No retest, no entry, guys. No retest, no entry. We want to make sure this low is not going to get broken. As long as this low doesn't get broken, then we can buy. So even if it breaks past here and comes down, as long as it doesn't break this low, you can buy. That's why I always try to line both of them up. I'm looking for it to pass here. It can go down, but wait for the retest. As long as it doesn't break this low, buy. Right? This is the low. Buy setup. Alright? As long as that low isn't broken, buy setup. Gold. When I say retest, come back to the zero line. Alright? So, like this. See this downtrend? Right? See this downtrend? Boom. See how when it crossed over, it crossed that zero line. Alright? That's what I know. That's what the component is. Zero line. I need it to come back to that zero line. See? So it basically crosses over back to that zero line. When it gets back to that zero line, I now compare. Compare. Oh, it did not break this previous high. I can sell. As long as it doesn't break this high, my sell is available. Real simple, real easy, not hard. Alright, perfect. You see this? This is divergence right here. See this? This is basically the opposite of that. Right? This is an ascending channel. This is a descending channel. After every breakout of an ascending channel and descending channel, we always get a pullback. See, you get a breakout and then that. That always happens. Every time. So instead of trying to buy at the low and then you keep taking out, keep taking out, keep taking out, let it break out, retest, doesn't break this low. And as you can see, you see how when it crossed over, it came back and retest, didn't break that low, there's your buy. So just look at that in reverse. Wait for it to break out, retest. If it doesn't break that high, there's your sell. So only sell on the retest. That's how you know it's ready. Because this can continue to do this. Go up, go down. Continue to do this. Right? Now, you can start selling now, but what happens is you'll go to sleep or come back up. Go to sleep and then keep dragging, keep dragging, keep dragging. If you don't want to wait for all that, just wait for the breakout, retest, and then boom. Me personally, that's what I like to wait for. Instead of trying to keep selling or buying from the bottom. Just wait for it to break out, retest, boom. There you sell. Right? Sending channel forming. The reversal pattern or sell. All right. Same thing with silver. Right? Same thing with silver. Silver went on a nice bullish run. All right. Pull back. Waiting for that. All right. Break, read.